Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. In this video, we're going to talk about ETO careers roadmap, sea and shore prospects 2026. It's going to be a small video, but it'll give you a very good idea. क्योंकि बहुत लोगों को लगता है वी वांट टू बिकम इलेक्ट्रिकल ऑफिसर, पता नहीं शोर पे अपॉर्चुनिटीज है कि नहीं. फ्यूचर इज योर्स. नाउ लेट मी टॉक अबाउट कि भैया वाई ईटीओ इज फ्यूचर प्रूफ. बिकॉज योर शिप्स आर बिकमिंग फ्लोटिंग कंप्यूटर्स. ऑटोमेशन आता जा रहा है, एआई आता जा रहा है. यस, आई वांट टू टेल यू वन थिंग कि अभी टुडे इन द वर्ल्ड एआई का जमाना चल रहा है, तो शिपिंग इज 20 ईयर्स बिहाइंड. तो जो चीज आज यहाँ पर जॉब्स में देख रहे हैं 20 ईयर्स डाउन द लाइन, मे बी मैं भगवान नहीं हूं, बट शिपिंग पीछे है भाई. बिकॉज इंटरनेट अभी नया नया आ रहा है वहां पे, तो थिंग्स आर चेंजिंग विद स्टारलिंक कमिंग इनटू द फ्यूचर. अब जाके जो आया है तो थिंग्स आर चेंजिंग. ऑटोमेशन इज कमिंग, हेल्प फ्रॉम शोर ऑन बोर्ड शिप इज कमिंग, बट थिंग्स आर चेंजिंग बट स्लोली. बट अगर ईटीओ की बात करें तो एज एन ईटीओ you become a master on board ship because you work on reefer system, you work on air conditioning system, you work on high voltage systems, you work on modern shipping में latest जो automation में चल रहा है. It is like a floating computer, so you learn a lot and you get a hands on experience. So even when you come on shore, say after working 5 to 10 years you want to come on shore, you are a person who has got hands full of experience and you are an asset. आगे बढ़ते हैं. So say first you become, after doing your 4 months ETO course, you become a trainee ETO, your salary is $507 a month. Then you do your ETO COC course, you get your ETO COC license, one written, one oral clear किया. Then you go on board ship as a junior ETO. There is only one ETO on board ship. Hardly I have seen companies giving 2 ETO. So there can be one ETO, maybe one trainee ETO just to train. But otherwise, जैसे आप junior ETO बने, you are on your own board ship. Your salary will be say $3,500 a month. First contract. Second officer, you will become a ET officer, salary become 3,500. The next contract, $4,500 a month. That is the max that you can get on a bulk carrier or a container, on a tanker or chemical tanker. It can go up to $5,500 a month. But once you come to LNG, it can go up to $8,000, $10,000 a month. If you go on cruise, your salary can go up to even $15,000 a month. Now when I say per month, that I want to say is the months that you are working on board ship. So generally we say that we work on board ship for 6 months, तो भैया वो 6 months का पैसा है, आप समझ गए. But since you work for 6 months, that is tax free money, copy it guys, which is good enough. Now say अगर आपने ETO में किया, the biggest challenge with merchant navies and why I say that joining the ETO course is easy is because the competition is very less. After becoming ETO, the life becomes challenging because working at -25 or at 50, you cannot say no. You have to be physically fit. You are climbing ladders. You are working alone. You are working on high voltage systems. Life is not easy. But the biggest challenge is when you go away from your family, especially when you have a child. And that is where a lot of ETOs might think of sailing, coming to shore. So when you want to sail ashore, you can become an electrical superintendent, work in head office of shipping companies, manage electrical repairs of a fleet of ships, troubleshoot problems remotely, and still you can have a salary between 20 to 40 lakhs per year. And this is actually happening guys. You can become an electrical surveyor where you go on board ship and survey the electrical equipments on board ship, working with classification societies like IRS, DNV, Lloyds. What are these classification societies? These go on ship and carry out the surveys, checking ki whether the ship is okay to sail or not. Inspect, there are a lot of machineries out here. So every year one machinery will be having a survey. Every 5 years a detailed survey happens. So who does that survey? Electrical surveys of electrical equipments. But what you have to do, you have to travel to different ports, high respect and authority job, and salaries are also good. Third is you can work in shipyards and repair. You can work in shipbuilding. You can work in Cochin shipyard, L&T or dry docks in Dubai, Singapore, commissioning of new electrical systems on board ship. It is also good. I also want to tell you कि it is not just about job. You can start your own business as well, guys. वैसे बताना चाहता हूँ. Beyond shipping, you can work in hotels. 5-star hotel में chief है, in 5-star hotel Taj, Marriott में काम करे. When you can go and work there in the reefer system and the AC system. You can work in data centers, maintenance of critical power backup system for tech giants like Google, AWS. Some people have been doing that as well. देखो knowledge का कोई अंत नहीं है, and how you take that experience and work on that is also very important. You can also start working on offshore and DP vessels where 1 month on and off is there. You get paid per day salary from $400 to $600 a month. You can work on DP ships, dynamic position ships, or even on rig as well. Copied? Now if you want to start your career in merchant navy, ETO course is your lifeline. All you want to do is you want to download the Merchant Navy Start app, because one place where all the solutions are available. What are you waiting for? 1 lakh plus downloads in just 7 months of launch. Mock test कैसे करना है, everything, latest interviews, medical fitness calculator, everything is there. If you want to prepare ETO aspirant excellence package, can be of great help. Check its free trial videos on Merchant Navy Decoded platform. Link is in the description box. Hundreds of ETO aspirants have become ETOs on board ship thanks to this package. Maybe in 2027 we might start our offline coaching as well at SMED Marine Academy Dehradun, but अभी नहीं है. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी.